Hi everybody, my name's Eva Wong NAVA. I'm the author of Dancing Dumplings for My One and Only. I'm here today to read you this prize-winning story by a 5-year-old from Shropshire Primary School. And his story is called Tom Meets Bobby. And the blurb says, Tom goes up the volcano and meets a friend. It's a very, very exciting story full of intrigue. And I can see why it won the award. So let's start. One morning, Tom woke up in his red brick house on the side of an active volcano. He was excited to go fishing at night. He likes fishing at nights because the lava fish glowed in the dark. Tom looked out of the window. The red hot lava was coming out of the volcano and down the steep sides. Tom was shocked and he was scared. Later, he decided he was still going fishing. When he got there, he caught a massive lava monster called Bobby. Bobby looked scary, but it's funny and friendly. He likes to play tag with the lava fish. Tom and Bobby made friends, and they went back to Tom's house to play snakes and ladders. Bobby won the game. They then went to play outside. Then they had a sleepover. The end. For a 5-year-old, Josh has really got the structure of story. And he understands that a story has a beginning, a middle, and an end. And there must be tension in there. And that tension has to be resolved. Well done, Josh Child. Thank you for listening.